What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. You're watching Tom Trips Out, and in this episode I'm at Angkor Wat at Ta Prohm Temple, where they shot the Tomb Raider movie. My name's Tom. This is my trip out.
Well, hey everybody, come along with me. Take a trip to a place to find what I see. Make people eat food, see the joy they bring, and how much it costs to try new things. Well, come and watch me on my trip out. My name's Tom. This is my trip out.
This is what it looks like when you first start walking in. You can't see any temples yet. It's extremely loud, and these are like insects in the jungle here. I don't know what's making that noise, but it's all the creatures in the woods here. So we're coming across the first temple pieces here. So we'll continue on. It's coming up ahead here is the real temple. And what's most interesting about this one is it's overgrown with trees growing through it and on it, and roots showing everywhere. So it's really stunning. Let's get closer. It seems like that insect noise has chilled out a bit as you get deeper in. It's been so hot the last couple of days, I'm absolutely dripping right now. I waited till the late afternoon to come here because of that, but it's still hot. Earlier today it was 38 plus the humidity. And now it's almost 4 p.m. so it's chilling out a tiny bit. Oh, let's go through this doorway here. It's pretty amazing to think about that everything here is like 900 to 1,000 years old. The jungle's growing back over it and reclaiming it. So some useful information about Angkor Wat. If you're visiting as a tourist, I believe it costs about $35 for a ticket, for a one-day ticket. And then they also offer a 3-day ticket that has a bit more value. I forget how much it costs, but it would be like $65 or something, so it's cheaper than 3 times the 1 day. But if you've lived in Cambodia for 2 years or longer consecutively, then you can register online and get a special pass that allows you into all the Angkor temples for free for a whole year. Then after the year you have to just reapply again online. So I got that a week ago, so I'm here for free right now. And they send you like a ticket to your email, and so I just showed it to them when I walked in, and they scanned the QR, and they're like, okay, go ahead. Special Angkor special pass. You just Google that and you'll find the website. There's some interior parts to walk through, but they're really dark. It's like walking through a shadow, so I've been kind of skipping those parts. I guess you can see a little bit. This is what I mean. It's a bit cooler inside of here too. Okay, let's carry on. There's little signs to keep you on track saying this is the way you go when you're visiting. It's nuts when you look at the intricate detail that they've carved into these carvings in the stone here. And some of the blocks are so huge. You're just like, how are they stacking them? How are they even bringing them in here? Shooting up.
This is the most amazing part, or the one? Yeah, no, we have more.
I'm not really a religious person, but coming to Angkor Wat is always like a spiritual experience. So you feel like there's a vibe and an energy. There's a history of energy here, or I don't know, whatever you want to call it. Okay, let's go through another doorway. It's adding to the ambiance to hear all these birds and monkeys and insects chirping in the jungle. It's really cool. Where else to go? Alright, so we've walked through and we've come out to now a big open clearing. Well, the wind just started picking up and it got freezing cold. Might start raining. It was so hot and now it's like a super cold wind blowing through. Could be a storm. So look at the detail on that. 1,000 years ago into stone. The weather here can change in just a moment. It was hot and humid and then this stormy cold wind just blew through here. Dark clouds are coming over, but it doesn't look too bad. It said it was supposed to rain at like 10 at night tonight, not now, not at like 4 in the afternoon. Let's take a look around. I've just entered a new area here. So yeah, there's many different temples that make up all of the Angkor Wat temples. This one specifically was featured in the Tomb Raider movie with Angelina Jolie. And that's what makes this one even more special. And it's really cool seeing the trees overgrown on everything. Oh wow. It's actually raining now. Barely, it's starting to just spit a little bit, but that's how it starts. It's actually really nice. This camera's not waterproof though. Hold on to your hats. I might have to hide out in one of these temples if it starts raining and just wait 20 minutes. We're kind of walking through corridors in between different parts of the temple here. Yeah, it's like maybe a 20-minute drive from town to get here, and I used Pass app and I ordered a remorque tuk-tuk, and they were having a deal, so it only cost about $4.50 to get here. And then the same guy, he asked me, do you want me to wait for you and then you could take you back? And I said, okay, but then it won't be on the app anymore, right? So I said, you can do that, but are you okay if I just give you 20,000? That's $5 to get back again, like the same price basically. And he said, cool. So it cost me $5 here, $5 back. What most people do is you'll hire a tuk-tuk guy that'll be with you the whole day. And that could be like $30 or depends how much of the day you and how far you're going and stuff like that, but between $15 and $30. And you're in situations where you have to speak Khmer, they can help talk for you and stuff like that. So this is where we just walked from. I turned around and looked back, and we're going this way, and so it looks like I've come out of the temple now. So that was it for Ta Prohm. But all speckled around Angkor Wat area, there's many temples. It would take two or 3 days to see all of it. But I just really, while I was here this weekend, I wanted to come see the Tomb Raider temple. And hey, if you like content like this in Cambodia, you should consider becoming a member on my YouTube channel. I have a members section. It's only $4.99, and I post extra videos that only they can see, like maybe 3-4 times a week. And I've been doing that for months. So now in the members area, there's like 150 videos. So if you wanted to help support, you could become a member just for 1 month and go binge all that extra stuff. And I've got a few from this weekend too, and so it's gonna be great. This looks like the gate. So now I have to find my tuk-tuk guy, and I left my bag with him, so I hope he just doesn't take off. I figure he wants to wait so he can get the other $5 for me and then get back to the city for $5 instead of just driving away with no money. I don't know if you can see that through the trees. I'll make my way over there. There's all kinds of local people selling souvenirs and drinks and paintings and whatever. Let's go look. They're going to be all over me. Sorry about the wind. It's gusting. There's a storm a-brewing right now. So we're going to have to just deal with it. I'm trying to block it with my hand. But let's check out what these people have. They're all scrambling to tie down their entrances and stuff in their tarps here. Batten down the hatches. They pull down their blue flaps. Hello. So have like drums and little instruments here, and fresh coconut and water. So they've got some refreshments here if you need to take a short break and sit down and have a coconut juice and have a water and bring back a souvenir for your family and friends. Okay, let's find my tuk-tuk man. Alright, that's going to do it for this episode. Thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe button. Until next time, remember, how you spend your days is the way you spend your life. It's never too late to start tripping out.
My name's Tom. This is my trip out.
It's nuts when you look at the intricate detail. It's nuts when you look at the intricate detail that they've carved into these carvings in the stone here. And some of the blocks are so huge. You're just like, how are they stacking them? How are they even bringing them in here? And then carving them so detailed.